Hi guys, welcome to my new tutorial, and this tutorial is very simple and it's going to be very fast, and this is just for the tapestry crochet technique and also for mochilas and how do you start and a mochila and how do you do the magic circle. And usually for mochilas are used 100% mesmerized cotton, and I will drop the links in the description box what kind of cotton I usually use. And mostly is used a 2 mm hook, sometimes also 2.5, but depends also from the way you are working. I have also used sometimes 1.5 mm hook, which makes the work like really tight. Depends on the materials that you are using and yeah, the way you crochet. So before we start the tutorial, I just want you to check my Etsy shop for patterns. If you are interested in mochila patterns, you can find them over there, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and also if you like my videos, just give a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you are new to my channel, I hope you are thinking to subscribe. And to everybody else, thank you for following me and supporting my work. So with all these things being said, let's just start, and let me show you how I do magic circle for a mochila. Okay, so to start to do the magic circle and to do the beginning of a mochila, I am going to use 3 colors. So I'm going to use this one to cover up, and then I am going to use this color and the white one, which are going to be the underneath colors. Okay, so I will start. When you start a mochila, you are going to insert the colors that you are using. This is how it works in tapestry crochet and in mochilas. So you are going to start directly with inserting the new colors. Okay, so you're gonna have to work with the colors that you are going to use underneath the main color. So let's just start. Okay, for the tapestry crochet, I saw that there are some ways that they go in rounds, circles, but I usually go in spiral. And for mochilas, I think this is what works for me. So yeah, so that's how it is. So let's make a magic circle, and we just wrap the yarn between our 2 fingers like this. And then I will take a 2 mm hook, which is mostly the hook. The 2 mm hook is the hook that usually is used for mochilas. So I will just put it under like this, and then I will bring in the front, okay, like a loop. And then I will take between my 2 fingers here. I will keep the circle, these 2 yarns, and I will just make one simple stitch. Okay, and now depends on how many increases you are going to do. And lots of patterns that are out there, they do with 8 increases, but then you can do 10, you can do 12, just depends on you. But if you start with 10, it's better that you do 5. So inside of the magic circle, you do 5 stitches, and then you double it, and then you double it again. Otherwise, if you start directly with 10, you're gonna have a small hole. The same goes for 12. If you want to have 12 increases, it's better that you start with 6, and then you double it, and it's going to be 12, and then you double it again. So you're gonna have 12 increases. If you start directly with 12 stitches around in the magic circle, you are going to have a hole in the middle. So in this case, I'm going to start with 8 increases. Most of the patterns that are available start with 8 increases, so I'm gonna do the same. If you do 8 stitches around here, you're not gonna have a hole. Okay, so I just do 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So in this case now I will just pull the yarn like this. Like this. Okay, so now because it's a mochila, so we're gonna have to work with the back loop always. So the back loop is this part over here. So we are not going to insert the hook as normally doing a single crochet in between both loops like this. No, we are not going to do this, but with mochilas you work with the back loop. So you're going to insert the hook at the back loop in here like this, okay? And this yarn you are going to carry underneath. Okay, so in the meantime that I am going to, this is the first round, and there are, this is the magic circle, and this is how a mochila starts with the main color. So now you're going to do the second round. The second round you're going to do 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, but in the same time you are going to add the 2 colors or 3 colors or 4 colors, depends on how many colors you are working with. In my case I'm adding 2 colors, okay? But it's better if you do a mochila with at least 4 colors, because you are going to need some hardness for the bottom. This is just a tutorial, so I thought maybe I just use 2 colors for now. Okay, so yeah, once I finish the first round, the magic circle and the 8 increases, now I will continue and doing 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, do the second round. But before that I'm going to add 2 colors, and I'm going to do it like this. So the 2 colors, I am going to put them here in between the loop and the yarn that you are working, like this, and leave some leftover yarn here, no problem. We're going to work with that later on, okay? So we have the 2 colors, and we have also the leftover yarn from the magic circle. So insert the hook at the back loop like this, yarn under, pull through, yarn under, pull through. So you are going to end up like this. It will look like this. In the same stitch we are going to do again 1 more stitch. So we do the insert the hook and pull through, and then insert the hook and pull through, yarn under and pull through. Okay, so at the first stitch we did 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. The same we are going to do at the second stitch, always at the back loop. Insert the hook at the back loop, yarn under, pull through, yarn under and pull through 2 loops, and again in the same stitch 1 single crochet, always working the back loop, yarn under, pull through, yarn under, pull through 2 loops. So it's going to look like this, right? So let's do on each stitch 2 single crochet, always inserting the hook at the back loop. One and 2. Again, next stitch, back loop, insert, yarn under, pull through, yarn under, pull through 2 loops. Once you have done a certain amount of stitches, I will just pull it through a little bit. So if you see here at the back, I have worked well, so I don't have any pop-up of the of the colors underneath, but sometimes you will have some pop-ups, so you are going to have to pull the yarn. In this case, I have leftover a lot, so I will pull the both yarns. So I will take one color first and pull it like this, and I will take the other color, and again I will pull it, pull the yarn, and I will leave just a little bit here, and don't worry, it won't go out, and like this you can't see really the yarn. Okay, and now you're just going to continue working until the end. So it is going to be again 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, always using the back loop. Okay, so I did the second round, and it's going to look like this. Usually if you start with 8 increases, at the second round you're going to end up with 16 stitches. Yeah, so this is how it's done, a magic circle, and how you start a mochila. Okay, I hope this was helpful for you and it's helping you with your techniques in mochilas. And yeah, on your way out, give me a thumbs up if you like my content. And also, if you are new to my channel, I hope you are considering to become a subscriber. And thank you for watching.